Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can find words in a PDF file, how we can search words in a PDF file. Let's start. Open your PDF file. Right now you can see that this is my PDF file and there are two ways we can find words in a PDF file. The first one is press the control button and you press the F button, right? Now you can see that the find bar is open now. For example, I want to search for a word here. I will write any words here. I want to search, and you can see that I can find many words that I search for it, right? There are many words ontology come from ontology, right? So this is one way. And for example, another word KPI. So you can see that there are many words start from KPIs, right? So this is one way we can find words in a PDF file. The second way is that just right click on your PDF file and click on find text in document. The same way the find search bar is open. Now if I write any words here, and it will find words for me, right? So this is the easiest and simple tips that how we can find words in a PDF file. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.